heard of the modern-day Mulan? Meet Tao Tao, a phenomenal horse trainer, equestrian artist, and TikTok star whose incredible journey has captivated over 3.5 million followers worldwide. Known for her daring stunts, unmatched grace, and heartfelt connection with animals, Tao Tao embodies the spirit of strength, elegance, and dedication. On TikTok, Tao Tao isn't just another content creator, she's a storyteller. Her videos transport you to a world where trust and harmony between human and horse take center stage. From breathtaking gallops through open fields to intricate dressage routines that seem choreographed to perfection, every clip showcases her deep mastery of the craft. Watching Tao Tao ride is like seeing poetry in motion, where every movement is precise yet effortlessly fluid. It's no wonder her followers see her as a modern Mulan, combining beauty, strength, and courage in equal measure. But Tao Tao's magic isn't just in her skill. It's in her relationship with her horses. These aren't just animals. They're her friends, her family, her partners. Her TikTok moments often feature intimate glimpses of her life with her horses, from gentle grooming sessions to playful interactions. It's clear that she doesn't just train them, she understands them. Her videos radiate a bond built on trust, love, and respect, a bond that resonates deeply with her audience. What makes her journey even more remarkable is her fearless approach to pushing boundaries. In one video, she leaps over towering obstacles with ease, her horse a willing and confident partner. In another, she gallops along rugged terrain, the wind whipping through her hair, a visual symphony of freedom and power. Every video is a testament to the countless hours of hard work, dedication, and love that Tao Tao pours into her passion. Her fame, however, goes beyond her riding. Tao Tao has become a symbol of empowerment, particularly for young women. She's a role model for those daring to dream differently, for those willing to put in the effort to make those dreams a reality. Her story isn't just about horses. It's about resilience, creativity, and an unyielding belief in one's abilities. If you haven't experienced the magic of Tao Tao, you're missing out. Her TikTok is a celebration of art, nature, and the human-animal connection. It's a reminder of the beauty that emerges when we pursue our passions wholeheartedly. So, as you scroll through TikTok next, take a moment to watch one of Tao Tao's videos. Whether it's a jaw-dropping stunt or a quiet moment of tenderness with her horses, you'll come away inspired, awed, and perhaps even a little more in love with the art of horse riding. But Tao Tao's journey hasn't been without its challenges. Behind the glamorous videos and awe-inspiring stunts lies a story of relentless perseverance.